All right, first of all, thank you for all of the warm birthday wishes for my birthday on March 24th. It is greatly appreciated. Thank you. And thank you, Paramount Plus, for making the Halo TV series released part one on March 24th on my birthday. All right, so Halo TV series is streaming on Paramount Plus. It's $4.99 a month. You can cancel anytime. It's $4.99 a month with limited commercials, or $10 a month, I believe, with no commercials. Not a bad deal considering you can watch Halo and some of the newer Star Trek TV series if you are a fan of those type of shows. Overall, $5 a month with limited commercials. I think it's a very good deal. Full disclosure, I'm not being sponsored by anybody to talk about this. I just thought and think it's a good deal. So check out Paramount Plus streaming at $4.99 a month. All right, so my son grew up on Halo. You know, the Halo games, watching Halo, the soundtracks, the music, everything. You know, reading some of the books. It's all good stuff. One of the best things that Microsoft has done over the years. So it's been a lot of fun. So I was looking forward to a real Halo movie, which still haven't seen, or a real Halo TV series, which I'm kind of still waiting for, and I'll explain that in a second. So I think my son enjoyed it more than I did. Not to say that I didn't or that it's bad. Overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'll give Halo TV series somewhere between a 7 and an 8. If you are a true Halo fan like me, you'll be somewhat disappointed. If you're not a Halo fan or don't care one way or the other, you should watch it. It is above average TV viewing, in my opinion. I think $90 million was spent on this 9-part season one, and it shows. I think the special effects are fine and the visuals are great. Full disclosure on the show in part one, it is brutal. It's violent. I mean, not what I expected. The game is for kids, baby, but part one of the show is definitely not for kids. So if you have kids, parents' discretion. The first thing I noticed as we're watching Halo part one begin, how do you make a Halo TV series without the Halo music? I think I heard like 5 seconds of a residue of the slightest whiff of a memory of the Halo theme. You know, as I look out into the space wallpaper here, and I'm thinking of the Halo theme, you know, classic stuff, really good. The theme is what, 20 years old now plus? It's not in the Halo TV series. Can you imagine a Star Wars TV series without the Star Wars music? This the show, at least the part one, does not necessarily follow the chronology of the game, and it's not really based that much, it seems, on the origin of Halo, which is the first Halo book, I believe, is called Halo: The Fall of Reach. Great book, by the way, great read. Check it out. There's elements of the book and the game, it seems, in part one at least. And spoiler alert, the Master Chief takes off his helmet. In case you didn't hear, towards the end, it is a good cliffhanger, by the way. I enjoyed that. Mixed reactions to showing of the face of Spartan 117. I didn't have a problem, at least not watching it as a TV show, because I don't consider this real Halo for real TV fans. If they were making a $200 million plus blockbuster movie, then you should not show the Master Chief's face, because I think not showing the face adds to the mystery and the allure of the Spartan super soldier known as John, Master Chief Petty Officer 117. So as far as showing his face on TV, yeah, I think in the end, if you watch it, it was actually necessary. So I'm cool with that. I just wish, after watching the whole thing, and like I said, my son thoroughly enjoyed it, and we'll be, watching it for the entire season, and I will keep Paramount Plus at least for watching the first 9 episodes of the Halo TV series. I wish it would have been more true to the Halo, story, closer to Halo: The Fall of Reach at least, if not the chronology of the first game. Not that it's bad. So if you are a non-Halo fan, you watch it. I'll give the show a 10 out of 10 for non-Halo fans. If you are a true, real Halo fan like myself, meaning you like the games, the soundtracks, the books, maybe a 7 out of 10. It's good, but I was expecting something different. And not having the Halo music or just like a few seconds here and there, I'm sorry, Paramount Plus. That's just lame and it feels like a ripoff. But for what I've seen so far, it is fun to watch. It's worth paying for the fee for the service for $4.99 a month, no contract. And you can get to watch all the Halo you want and some of the newest Star Trek TV series, so it's well worth it. So for Halo TV series, at least from what I saw, overall it's a mixed bag. Again, for Halo fans, I'm not sure. For non-Halo fans, it's definitely above average TV show. So definitely check out Halo TV series debut on Paramount Plus. Oh.